Hi, I'm Al with Virginia Industrial Plastics in Oakton, Virginia. Today I'm at the reserve at Stoneport to film Brody, the maintenance supervisor, as he shows us just how quick, easy, and economical it is to install 2 cabinet savers, one in the kitchen, one in the bathroom, in just about 2 minutes. But before we dive in, let's go meet Brody.
Hi, Brody here, Maintenance Supervisor at the beautiful Reserve Stoneport. We offer 408 luxury apartments here in Harrisonburg, Virginia. We have another property opening called the Wentworth here very shortly. Today I'm going to show you an inexpensive way to save underneath your cabinets. All you really need is a sharp utility knife, and it's a pretty simple process. So all you do is install it underneath your sink into position. Make sure it's laying flat and all the way back. Then you just take your utility knife and trim any excess that needs trim. Remove and do the same to the sides. And there it's installed.
One cabinet saver installed in under 2 minutes. Brody, how long would it take you to repair that if it was damaged?
A long time. So the bathroom is the same way. You just slide under all the way back and just trim your corners up.
Done. Now,
Done.
Brody, let me ask you a question. Sometimes the cabinets are a little bit less deep than this, and there may be an overhang like that. What would you do in that case?
All you'd have to do is just run your knife across the edge of the cabinet and the cabinet saver, and it will just cut it off even.
Great. Thank you very much.